Chan Chan.
Guys, doon ako mga kauban guys. So, kapoy na dyan kayo guys. Pasaka mag-uni siya guys. So, see?
Napakaangas.
Eh! So, since nako'y gamay nga free time, nag-walking mi sa padulong sa amo ang merkado. Kay mamalit ko na mi og gulay. So, taod-taod jud mi. Actually, akong vacant anis gamay ra gid kayo. And 30 minutes ang walking. So, wala na ko ka video because wala na ko time. So, as you can see in this video, this is day 5 for our petchay and third trial. And as you can see, mas maganda yung tubo niya. Hindi siya leggy. Ay, actually may isang leggy. Medyo leggy. But the 3 is okay. Tapos yung isa, I don't know why, siguro hindi siya masyadong maganda na seed. Kaya, nahuli siya ng germinate. So, ayan, balik na natin siya sa light. At ito naman, ang ating pepper. As you can see, walang nag-germinate. As in, yung chances is sobrang 10% na lang talaga. And this is our dinner, mixed veggies with pork. Kasi nga, pumunta kami ng merkado previously. Okay guys, so today is day 5 sa aking round 3 experiment sa petchay, and I think this time the results are a lot better compared to the second round kasi hindi siya naging leggy. Yung height niya is just like it hit, or the height is reaching the expectation that I set. Like ganun lang siya ka tall, yun lang. And later, maybe 1 p.m., mag-full blast nutsol na ako. I will change it. I will have like bottom watering na and see what will happen. I hope it's positive this time. And since first round ko sa fruit bearing, so I'm still struggling with the pepper. So, hindi pa siya nag-sprout. Like, I don't know if nag-germinate pa siya or something. If there's something wrong with the seeds. So, hindi ko siya eat na nutsol until kasi mayroon akong monitoring sheets. So, petchay is doing well. So, parang the future is so bright for petchay. So, sa pepper, ayan, ito, nag-note ako for day 5, wala pa talaga siyang sprout kahit konti. Hindi ko siya nakitang may sprout or nag-break yung seeds niya. Kaya, I'm still hoping, I'm still doing some research, and I hope against hope that, but it's still the first round, so it's okay. But the third round for petchay is doing well, which is really, really good. Nakita nyo naman yun earlier, di ba? Pakita ko ulit. See. So, yung expectation ko ng height niya is really there. Ayan. May isa lang na hindi pa siya nakalabas ng todo. Kaya mamayang 1 p.m. pa ako mag-bottom watering. And ito, wala pa talaga siyang pag-asa. Hi, as you can see, may isa medyo leggy siya. Yung pinaka-tall. I don't know why, but it's okay. Kasi baka kaya pa yan. Okay, and let's go over to the atsal or pepper. And as you can see, wala pa rin. Day 6 na from sowing. Hindi pa rin siya nag-germinate. So here, hindi ko na record yung pagmix ko ng nutrient solution, but I started 100% full blast nut sol sa bottom watering sa petchay. So petchay and pepper have different solutions, so I decided to be patient with pepper. I did not touch anything. I just continue misting until mag-germinate siya. I was trying to be patient kahit nawawalan akong pasensya because they're different. Petchay will be harvested in like 40 days and pepper can be harvested for a long time. Kasi nga hindi siya green leafy, fruit bearing siya. So I was just trying to be patient with it. And of course, in the coming days, you will see the reason why I endure all those days. And makikita nyo ang changes ng pagtitiis and paghihintay ng progress for the fruit bearing. And so far, I'm really happy with the outcome of my Pichay round 3. So I hope to see you next video and bye.